Okay. I think Trent wants to grab that again. Here you go, Booty. Here you go. Here you go. Think you can do it again? Can you get it? Get it. Get it. Oh, there you go. Oh, you got it. Yay! Whoa, trip out, man. Good job. Good job. Okay. Oh, he lost it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? But you got your feet. You got your little foot. Look at your little foot. And Dominic is shuffling Uno cards. He beat me the last game. Fair and square. I need a rematch. Oh yeah, the first game. Yes. Uh-oh. Spit up, kid. Just spitting up and grabbing your toes. It's exciting being 3 months. Yeah, he's 3 months old now. You're 3 months.